To fill a hot water bottle, first bring a pot of water to a boil. Once it's boiling, turn off the heat and let the water cool to a safe temperature for 15 to 20 minutes. In the meantime, inspect your hot water bottle for any cracks or tears to make sure it's safe to use. When the water is ready, unscrew the cap on your bottle and empty out any leftover water inside. Carefully pour the water into the bottle until it's 3/4 of the way full. Then, squeeze out any excess air and screw the cap on tight. Avoid filling your hot water bottle with boiling water since it could damage the inside of the bottle and increase your risk of burns. If your bottle didn't come with a cover, wrap a towel around it before using it to prevent burns. You can use your hot water bottle to ease aches and pains by resting it on your body for 20 minutes at a time. Just make sure you don't put pressure on the bottle so it doesn't burst. You can also use your hot water bottle to heat up your bed by placing it under your blankets for 5 to 10 minutes before you go to sleep. Make sure you remove the bottle from your bed when you get into it, since sleeping with a hot water bottle can increase your risk of burns.